quick update on the Vette for y'all. She looking good. Got that brand new carbon fiber hood, Anderson composite from eBay. Beautiful hood. Looks too good. Ceramic coated. Yeah, that sun is hitting nice. She's dirty as hell, but still looks real dang nice. Got those new mud flaps in the back on each wheel, like right there. Got one in the front too. Those things look freaking nice. They pop out, make the car look wider and just nice, you know. I love them. I think they're bigger than the 01 ones too. Rear end, nothing has really changed. This is just how she's sitting right now. That 01 extended spoiler in the back. C7 carbon diffuser, but this one's just a gloss black because I went for gloss black accents. Morimoto taillights. Sheesh. Still on stock height, because then I'm gonna end up breaking all my freaking parts. Extremely nice C6. Definitely one of the nicer C6 in my area. This is probably one of the nicest, if not the nicest, in my like town. And she's sitting pretty though. That carbon hood makes a huge difference. That thing is just beautiful. I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all real quick. And underneath the hood, nothing really new. Just the same mods I had before. Intake manifold, air intake, a cam. And that's basically it. Stage 2 torque converter. And yep, that's all. Just a little beast C6 Corvette. Let's check out the interior real quick. I only did probably 2 things to it. I don't know if this is in my older videos, but you know, the interior is still like this. Got that carbon fiber dash, that's stock. Carbon fiber came with that. Steering wheel covered carbon fiber. I put these little carbon fiber caps. I got this custom carbon fiber badge in the middle, yellow, to match the calipers. Painted these paddle shifters yellow. So that's the view when I'm driving. Looks really nice. You know, I just put some little gold tape wrap right here. Got the yellow Corvette lettering. That's my car cover. But yeah, interior is pretty basic. I mean, you know, this is actually nice right here. Other C6 don't got these colored paddles and the little badge. This right here is just beautiful to me. That's all I need. I'm a simple man. LSXR cammed stickers right there. Yeah, you know, just basic. She's looking nice though. But yep, that's basically it. That's the update for y'all. Something slight. She's looking great. No more camo. She's that ruby Vette now. Ruby color. That color is just beautiful. I swear that ceramic coating really popped that color out. Looks really beautiful.